first ball. It's a six.
Game on. Game on. What a start to the last over. Kyle Mayers. What a start to the last over. Kyle Mayers.
Already played a few cameos. 41 of 24 versus select strikers. He's got a good start here. He's smashed the first ball that he's faced. He's gone for the maximum. Again a short one, and he's picked that one nicely. One bounce to the fence. 10 and 2. Now has it got enough? Yes, it has. He's playing another nice little. Oh yes, that's sailed over into the stands. What a knock this is turning out to be. Now they need only 6 from 2. Would you believe it? Oh, he's gone through. That'll be a boundary. What a knock this is turning out to be. He's a smash 24 in the first 5 deliveries. They need 2. Well, he doesn't care because he slammed that into the stands. What a finish. What a finish from the skipper. Once again, he's played a blinder here. 32 of just 7. Look at the fans go wild in the stands. They cannot believe it. What a chase. Hugely disappointed.
এরকমই করা উচিত আমাদের দেশে। আমাদের দেশের সবগুলোর সাথে এরকম করা উচিত। যারা অনেক দোকানদার যারা 50 পয়সা 1 টাকার বিনিময়ে 2 টাকার বিনিময়ে চকলেট দেয় তাদের সাথে এরকম করা উচিত। তাহলে ওরা